where are we today?
In Bhopal, we have come to
Grace's Resort. Who all are there with you today?
My mom, dad, my grandparents and I are there in this video. So please like and share and subscribe. So now let's show our grandparents.
Mishika's Nanu Nani. Come on, let's take them for the tour of the hotel, Mishika.
Yes.
Let's go. Like this video, Mishika is going to show you everything. We just planned this getaway at the last minute and directly booked through the resort and got a good deal. We'll be sharing the resort WhatsApp number in the description below. So let's take you to the entire tour of the property. Yay, Mishika, where are we going? So in this video, we'll be taking you to the Grace's Resort, which is situated on the outskirts of Bhopal city. It is one of the largest resort in central India with huge and multiple gardens, and it also has artificial lake around 50 cottages. The resort is spread over 10 acres and well maintained. Since the rooms and common areas are well spread out, there was no feeling of congestion, and adequate social distancing was maintained. The cottages and villas are built around this beautiful lake, and you can spend hours enjoying this scenic beauty. As we went with our parents, we had booked 2 rooms. One room was on the ground floor and the other room was on the first floor. The room which was there on the ground floor had a private garden along with that.
So now let's see and show you our room. So this is the garden. See?
So this is the room which is there on the ground floor, and one room we'll be having in the
Upper floor, because
Yeah.
we are a big family. I'm so excited to go in my room.
Have this view. This is so awesome. So now we'll be showing you our first floor room. As you saw, the ground floor room had a nice view. Even from the first floor, the lake looked absolutely beautiful. Mishika, what it is?
219.
Okay.
Wow. Wow. It's such nice. Nice view.
Wow.
This is our own place to drink some coffee and milk, I think.
Looks lovely. I love this view. You like it?
Yes.
So this is ground floor, and this is where we are staying. The view is just fantastic.
And the sun is right there. Look at that. It's coming in my eyes.
Okay, sun is. Where are you taking me now? Your favorite place?
Where is the water?
So as you can see, that's the gallery and a beautiful view. And there's one more place over here to enjoy. And where's Mishika? So you have so much space, Mishika.
Yes. I got play outdoor games over here also.
Yes, outdoor games Mishika can play, and there's so much of
Over here.
greenery and beautiful flowers all around. This is the place downstairs, and it's beautiful. So the first thing Mishika wanted to explore was the play area for the kids, and she could see the swing, slides, seesaw, and there was also a floor chess and snakes and ladder. and she absolutely loved it, and she enjoyed playing with her grandparents. So this is the snakes and ladder which Mishika is going to enjoy. You having fun? So after the play zone, Mishika just wanted to explore the resort, and she was very happy to see the greenery.
The pool.
There was a small pool near the lake side, and it gave a feeling of an infinity pool, and Mishika absolutely loved it.
Nice.
There was also a well-equipped fitness center near to the pool, but due to COVID regulation, it was not operational.
I wanted to play in the gym and do some jogging and work out.
Other place what Mishika explored was the treetop area, which was next to the restaurant, and the view from this place was absolutely beautiful. So if you come to this resort, you should definitely visit this area also. So one of the activities which you can enjoy in this resort is the boat riding. It's a paddle boat, and only 2 people can sit. So it's a must if you come here, and it's a beautiful experience. The evening sunset and the full moon were absolutely stunning, and we enjoyed the fountain lighting. There is our villa. Mishika is going inside to have dinner. It has a multi-cuisine restaurant that serves lip-smacking delicacies in the pristine setting.
Wow, ice cream! Such a nice thing it looked like.
Post dinner, we just visited the indoor game area. What is it, Mishika? We are going inside the indoor game area. Come on, let's go. Table tennis, pool game, and yes. Okay. So this is the huge hall for marriages. The banquet hall, the lawns are very spacious. It is a good place for destination wedding and other parties. You having fun? You know this is a stage. I enjoyed her day 1 at the resort, and it was time to sleep. Next day morning, we had our breakfast, which was included in our package. So after having the breakfast, we checked some more activities which were there in the resort. So where are we, Mishika? This is a
swing garden. Yes. What is that place, Mama? Let's go and play.
big lawn over there. Come on, let's run. Wow, this is such a lovely place. It's a tarang lawn.
I love water.
Wow, it's so damn big. So many sprinklers. Come on, you'll get wet. Let's go to the other lawn.
Oh, is this lawn?
So this is another lawn, Jalsa lawn.
It's an activity place. Wow.
So here the cycles are there,
Trampoline.
and before there was a zip line over here, which is not there right now. And there is archery, na? As you can see, there is paid activity and free activities. So according to your comfort, you can choose what you want. We did Segway, archery and trampoline for Mishika. So Mishika is going to enjoy some activities. Come Mishika, let's see. So this is the Tarang lawn, then Rangmanch activity hall, indoor games we have already seen. So this is Rangmanch activity shed. So we have seen this in the night, Mishika. It looks beautiful in the night as well, right? You can't go, some marriage is going on. Come, let's go. We are going to organic farm right now. And this is the parking area. Our car has been parked somewhere over there. What are those, Mishika?
Gooseberries which get vitamin C.
We need vitamin C so much these days, na?
Yes.
Come on, let's go. Hi. So let's check out the organic farms as well, Mishika. See how nice the cabbage looks, Mishika. This is how it grows. Looks amazing. This is turmeric.
Mint
Spinach, Mishika. Spinach is very good, no? We eat palak paneer. This is mint.
Wow.
Smells good. You remember?
Coriander.
One video on coriander.
Yes. Such fresh.
So this is such a lovely bottle gourd which is coming. So cute. And then there is cabbage and cauliflower over there. Yes, Mishika. So enjoyed the organic farm?
Yes.
You saw how the vegetables grow? Mishika loved exploring the organic farms, and I think for all the kids it should be a must activity if you visit this resort. So we are going from this place now.
I wanted to stay more. I had one holiday tomorrow also.
We really had a great time at this resort and we thoroughly enjoyed our staycation. Do let us know in the comment section about the video and if you have any queries. Bye for now. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share.